All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started here. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing? How are we doing? Can everybody do me a favor? Give me a quick audio check here. See how my levels are sounding. Do I sound okay? Is everything all right? Microphone is in. Music is a little loud in my ear, so I turned it down. But yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are we feeling? How are we feeling? I needed a quick little coffee break right there. Quick little coffee run. Back at my desk. The sun isn't shining, but it's enough sunlight. Put these curtains down a little bit. Something like that. Oh. JL, appreciate it. Money Glitch, good morning. Trading Academy, good morning. Brando, what's up? Glad to see you guys. Okay, let's start looking at the lookies. Let's start looking at stuff. Let's what do we got here? So immediately, the highest time frame that I usually like to stick with, the 15-minute, looks a little overextended. But let's do a proper top down, right? So the highest I usually like to go is about an hour. But let's take a look at the 4 hour for once. The 4 hour is boom, bow. These longs look a little artificial to me. I ain't got no proof yet. But these longs look a little artificial, at least at these levels, right? Like, I can definitely start to see some retracements, but look how much we dipped down into the back into the range with this wick for FOMC. Taking out this right here, tapping into this move origin right here, a little staticky, but still technically respected it to the T. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, came down here, tapped into here. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. Swept this 1, 2 right here, and now we push right back upwards with the fury of the Amazons. All right, so 1 hour, I had a bearish engulfing here on the 1 hour, pulled back up, and now it's displacing back a little bit lower. This is weird, guys. I don't want to. I mean, there's no obvious signs of being bearish, but I kind of want to be bearish today. But we'll see. There's a little bearish engulfing right there, and you could say that this is a 5-minute SBS tapping into this move origin right here. Not really respecting it though. Yeah, not really respecting it. Maybe something more like this then. The last down move before the big up move. So this is maybe this is in play right here. We'll see. But that's like my first area of interest. First little area of interest right there. But we're not doing anything until this 15-minute range has been established. All right, guys. All right, so we're dipping lower here. Oof. Running down. We must have got some stocks must not be doing all that well. Let me take a look at the heat map real quick. No, nothing. I mean, well, it's not giving me any data. But yeah, I'm not getting any data right now. But yeah, something's bleeding right now. I just don't know what. All right, what time? We got 2 minutes until my 15-minute is to be established. Why is it all the way over there? There we go. And let's just take you, I guess. Yeah, let's just take you. Big 5 minute zone right here. Big 5 minute, big 5 minute, big 5 minute. I'm gonna rinse this thing out. All right, a couple more seconds here. Looks like I'm about to make another low. Something is getting hemorrhaged. We're on the right asset, right? We're on the right account. Oh, I didn't make my. Let's go ahead and lock this. 400. Yes. Let's lock those risk settings for today. I kind of want to give myself a little bit more room today, but I think 400 is more than enough. And did y'all see that? Why did my other line disappear? Anyway. All right, here's your opening range. Here's your opening range, and yeah, we're bleeding, guys. We're bleeding. Bleeding on downwards. One, two. Not even no SBS in sight for me. Okay. All right. I believe we don't have any other news for today. We should have clear skies. Yeah, Thursday. Yeah. All right. So we are clear for takeoff. Woo-wee. We are booling down. We are booling down. Wow, did anybody catch anything? And I had to go by my rules, and just going by my rules and staying out of the market for the first 15 minutes of the day. It's really been getting on my nerves lately. But the only thing I can really see is this bearish engulfing on the 5 here. You could have taken, could have done something like this. Been playing these bearish engulfing, these engulfing candle patterns have been holding it down lately. You could have did something like this, but I never trade the open. 5 minutes into the open is kind of crazy, my personal opinion. So just waiting for some price action to form up. I'm gonna place a dummy trade real quick, guys, just to get a feel for volume right now.
Order filled.
Not doing minis. Yeah, it's looking like a 3 micro type of day. At the max 4 once again.
Order filled.
Oh yeah. Yeah, looking like a 4 micro type of day. 4 micro type of day. 3 or 4. Get up to these highs right here. Yeah, that'll be enough for today. All right. Cool beans. Yeah, I kind of want to give myself as many bullets in the chamber as possible. So I don't want to overdo it, but looking like 3 or 4 micros for the day. Definitely probably don't want to go over 4 micros unless I get a really good entry with some tight stops.
Order filled.
We're gonna close that. $80 on the dead account per usual, right? All right, let's look at our SMA. So technically our 5 minute is bullish. Technically we should be looking for longs, but I just don't believe in it right now. I'm gonna get rid of this zone right here since we smashed through it. This is hard, guys. This is kind of hard. Blow past this. I would like to see what we do. And buyers are being found right now. I would like to see if we can come down to this level here, but once again, we're kind of trading against the 5 minute and the 15. It's like we could see what goes on at this golden fib level right here. So you have one. Oh, sorry guys. And you have one. I gotta hurry up. 2. Then we have a 3 right here. Being really careful though. See if these shorts want to continue. Wow. Could we see a repeat of yesterday? Alrighty, not liking that V-shaped recovery already. What time is it? 9:50. Could be worth to see if we want to pop back down really quickly, but those bulls came in really aggressively and really strong. All right, hitting this move origin right here. Let's see what we do. 5 minute kind of sort of against us at the moment. Might give it a shot, might not. Need some proof. Need some proof that this is actually what we want to do here. Smooth, what's up, man? I'm eyeing this trade right here, but I don't know. I don't like how bulls kind of like came in that hard there. So what I'm gonna do is take a
Order
stab
filled.
right there. And we're gonna place this at this high. We start bubbling above this, I would think about getting out. No room to add right here, guys. I kind of want to tighten up the stops just a little bit, so that way we only take a paper cut. We'll tighten up stops right there, guys. Trying my best not to cheat myself here, but I kind of want to just take it off. We're kind of trading against like everything at the moment. Couldn't get a closure below that 20. My brain is freaking out right now, guys. I'm not gonna hold, 'cause I want to take this off, but I don't want to cheat myself at the same time. If we don't flush right here, we come back up, I'll take partials. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful reaction. Not even going to think
Order
about
filled.
it. Beautiful reaction right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful reaction, guys. All right, so I took partials right there. I'm at BE. I might even tighten up stops. We don't have a proper 5, like Smooth Operator said. So I'm not looking for too much here. But yeah, that's going to be my trade right there, guys. I might even tighten up stops, but I don't want to cheat myself, just in case if we do decide to like run all the way down here. But very good, guys. Very good, very good. Let me see. I might choke this, honestly. I might choke this because I don't want to see, because Bulls came in really strong right there, right? I don't want to see that right there. So you gotta have some guts. Gotta have some guts. Gotta have some guts. If we can get this closure right here on the 1 minute, that'll be really good. It's not sexy. It's not sexy. It's not sexy. Give me my 195, guys. Give me my 195. Give me my 195. Give me my 195. Once again. Freaked out there, guys. I freaked out. I freaked out. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's I didn't do all that well there, Brando. And do all that well there, and boom, look at well, that might be your 5, guys. That might be your 5 pop. But my target right here was this low. I mean, that's what I wanted to target, but we're not exactly bearish. That's my only problem. And I was afraid of this pop up right here that we're having right now. So I'm going to sit on hands. And yeah, man. I'm going to sit on hands. I don't like that reaction. Where did those bulls come from? This could be your 5 to get back into the trade, but I'm going to leave it alone because of the higher time frame isn't exactly screaming bearish. So I'm going to sit on hands for right now, guys. Sitting on hands. Appreciate it, Smooth. Appreciate it, Smooth. Lock it up. You think I should lock it up, Brando? I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea. Today seems like it could be really tricky. Today seems like it'd be really tricky. I didn't get my ad. I didn't get my 4 micros on, and it would fit the theme of fucking 190. It would fit the theme of 190, but we'll see, man. We'll see, but let me look at my X's. Rohan Rao, what's up, man? How's your challenge going? Challenges are past, brother. Challenges are past. I had 2 challenges actually. I passed 2 challenges, and I'm in one of my XFAs that we're not doing too bad in, honestly. So yeah, man. Yeah, it's going well. It's going well. So I did this at first. I think we got a 1 to 2 out of that. It was really a 1 to 1 because I think we risked about 135, so the profits wasn't the best. But guys, I don't know about this SBS right here anymore. I wouldn't re-enter. I wouldn't re-enter here, just showing executions. Yeah, I wouldn't re-enter right there, guys. I wouldn't do it. SBS been treating. Yes, it has been, man. Every day is tricky, bro. Fair enough, man. Fair enough. Yeah, I kind of wanna be done for the day, honestly. Kind of want to be done there. Yeah, we couldn't get it. We couldn't get the follow through. So good intuition there. Good intuition there. SBS treats every day, Rohan. Nah, I'm messing with you. That's just me being mean. But this might be my one and done. I kind of wish I would have closed at 200, but I'm glad I got out of the trade in general. So. Good luck, man. Don't mind if I add, how's your win rate in RR? Right now, win rate is looking really good. RR is kind of low. RR is kind of low. So anytime I get a 1-to-1, I'm breaking even. And if I get like one more push down, I'm going to partial. So I'm basically sitting at a 1-to-1 for each of my, or a little bit better than 1-to-1 for each of my trades. For this trade here, I think I risked around 135. As you can see, I'm only coming out with 195. But that's only because, well, for one, I had a really good entry, and I had a feeling that we wasn't going to make it to my first profit target, which is 236. But I didn't really need it because we're all the way up here. If I would have entered down here at the golden at 618, drag my stops all the way up here, this would have been a perfect 1-to-1. But I had a feeling we wasn't going to get that. So, but luckily we had a good entry. We had a good entry. Put it down to right here. Couldn't get the whole thing, but we got some profit anyway. So RR isn't looking the best, Rohan. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would love to be at a 1-to-2 somewhere, but I'm just simply not there. But we'll get there. Looks like I'm on the wrong side of the market today, guys. Looks like I was on the wrong side. Doesn't matter though, we made profit. Here's your UMO. I'll be honest, guys. I'm kind of satisfied with profits for today. I really am. Always bullish, bro. I feel you. I feel you. But there was just nothing for me to be bullish off of. So like, if I was, let's clean up the charts. Let's go to NQ, right? It was really nothing for me to be bullish off of. Maybe you saw something on the higher time frame. I mean, I'm not seeing it. I got my quick little pop down. That's all she wanted to give me. So, hey, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. I shouldn't have been bearish in the first place because the SMAs didn't say so. So I traded against the SMAs today, which is why we didn't get that follow through. $200 supported the 5-minute bullish. Yeah, we're looking really bullish right now. All of a sudden, looking really bullish. So I got nothing, guys. I got nothing until some price forms. It looks like I'm on the wrong side here, but we got a little something. But it just wasn't the correct move. So yeah, we got a little pop down on our risky play right there. Good jobs if you found longs though. I couldn't see it. I'm going to short here for valid high. No valid high and closure above 200 previous high. So I'm looking for longs now unless we get a failure below again. Very nice smooth. That's fine so long as the win rate compensates for it. The win rate definitely compensates for it, especially with the way that I trade. As soon as I'm able to, I'm turning a. If I'm in a winning trade, I'm going to do my best to keep that winning trade a winning trade. There's not going to be too many situations where you see me be in profit and it reverses to a full loss. That's just not my style. So like any reason I get to break even or take partials, I'm taking it. So win rate is definitely there, but RR obviously suffers. So it is what it is. Have you seen mental stability in your trading now, like avoiding revenge? Yes, Rohan. Actually, and surprisingly, since the market is bulling to the upside, I don't think I'm about to get an entry here. But since I was sick a couple weeks ago, and it really slowed my butt down. I haven't revenge traded at all since I've been in this XFA. And obviously I've only been in it for a week, but I haven't felt the urge to oversize, to over leverage. I haven't felt the need to over trade. I've been very patient with my executions lately. I'm feeling really good lately, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling really good. Even on days that we quote unquote aren't supposed to trade, I've been finding some good trades in both the funded account and the combine. So, as cruel as this may sound, maybe getting sick was kind of what I needed to slow my ass down. So, it's looking pretty. It feels. Let's put it this way: I've gotten payouts before, and it feels. This feels correct. The way I'm trading right now, waiting for my entry, not over leveraging 3 to 4 micros, letting the trade work a little bit, taking profits whenever you can. It feels correct. It feels like before when I was taking payouts from the market, like earlier in the year. So I feel that we're in a good spot. If I would have had a winter Monday, if I would have had a green day Monday, I probably would not trade Friday. But we're still going to trade Friday because we didn't get a trade on Monday. So we'll see. Thanks for the question though, Ron. Thanks for the question. I need to get that one out. Appreciate it. Workout time. See ya. I feel you. I feel you. I need to do the same thing, but I'm gonna work out later on tonight. I got class tonight, so. Hey, appreciate you hanging out, Rohan. Appreciate you hanging out. Looks like we're about to get a new all-time high here. I shorted all-time highs. That's a no-no. Mask. All right, so we're gonna turn this music up just a little bit, and we're gonna rock out for a second. We're technically on a little winning streak here, guys. We're on a little winning streak. Sorry for the typing. I just realized that I'm not muted. Jesus. Don't skip leg day. Yes, indeed. Don't skip leg day. Don't skip leg day. All right, we're getting that cross on the higher time frame here, so yeah, we should boom to the upside. All right, here we go. New all-time high. Let's go. Just straight up run. Yeah, you got to deal with it sometimes, though. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. It's a part of the game. Wrong direction. Still left in profit. All right, so we missed the homer. We missed the home run trade, but it's all good. It's all good. I had the wrong direction today. Wrong direction today. The wrong direction today. Ah, man. Well, there it goes. New all-time high. Just that fast. Just that fast. I don't know what I was thinking about. I do not know what I was thinking about. Just buy it. Close your eyes and buy it. Just close your eyes and buy it. Yeah, next time I'm just going to close my eyes and just buy it, man. Yes, this is a new all-time high. This is what I was telling you since 2 weeks. Yeah. Just close your eyes and buy it. Just close your eyes and buy it. But I'm not gonna lie, shorts have been kind of paying for me lately. Even though it's not like even the wrong move has been paying. That's the power of SBS. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. Pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. God damn, nothing can keep this market down, boy. Nothing can keep this market down. Bro, nothing can keep this market down, boy. Nothing. Oh man, hey Money Glitch, did you catch anything? Guys, I may just so we clearly had the wrong direction there, so I may just leave. May just leave there, guys. May just leave. May just leave. May just leave. Yeah, so I was completely wrong today, guys. I may just pack it up. Ooh wee, look at that, boys and girls. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at the 5 minute. Well, hey. Nothing you can do besides look, right? I took the transaction. Let's go. I start my XFA next week. Very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I'm glad to see you guys are doing well. Glad to see you guys are doing well. Are you looking for one more setup? No, not really. If you don't, the market made a fool out of me. It said like, yeah, you didn't buy this. Lame. I'm going up, but as you can see, there was no entry for me, especially on the lower time frame, until we got up to these levels right here. By then, it was already too late. Yeah, by the time we got up hit to these levels, too late. We didn't get any type of sweep. It's just too strong. We're already at all-time highs. It's just gonna rush up there. So it looks like the only trade you could have taken was this short right here. And if you saw long using whatever system you had, you know, you could have got in. But I'm not seeing what you could have done. And it would have been really frustrating to watch too, because it's like there's no SBS, there's no retracement. It's just, hey, this is your only retracement. You could have ICT'd it and got in on this fair value gap, but it's not my bag, baby. Not my bag. Yeah, there was nothing. There wasn't too much for me to do here. So I'm not looking for anything else today. We didn't follow through here. I got out. I made money on the wrong direction. So in fact, yeah, we're gonna lock it up here. We're gonna lock it up there. Yeah, I'm locked out, guys. Can I send screen there? What do you mean? Can I send screen there? Yeah, mini IC trader took this today. Mr. RCCIN. What do you mean? Can I send screen there? Let me know what you mean. Blah. Next time, yeah. Blah. 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 Woo! Wow, we are booling. We are booling to the upside. Booling to the upside. It kind of makes you wonder how in the hell did I even make money today? How did I make money today? I don't know. I do not know. Man, I was just saying that the 15-minute could be a little bit overextended too, but hey. It is what it is. Yeah, let that be a lesson. Never trade against the SMAs. Never trade against the SMAs. All right, guys. I'm still here to hang out a little bit, but as you can see, my account is locked. I don't want to. I don't want to tempt fate. It's not every day that you make money on a wrong move, right? So it's not every day you make money on a wrong move. Hmm. Yeah, not too much commentary here, guys. We made an all-time high. I mean, we technically we could see a little bit lower. You know what I mean? But with the SMAs looking like this on the 5, I would doubt it. We may just consolidate for a while. Who knows? But I'm not interested in it anymore. Especially since I have my profit, so it's like it's not really too much to do. But if you got questions, comments, concerns, I'd be happy to take a look. Also, if you haven't already, like the stream, leave a comment, subscribe now. Actually, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do this every day that I get the chance to. Make this a little bit bigger so people can see it. Low key, very low key. Top Step making, winning payable days just 150. I think that's helping my psychology a bit. And now I get to trade smaller and have like a lower profit target for technically a quote unquote winning day. Because technically speaking, if we had the old rule, none of these would be. I mean, they're winning days because I made profit in the account, but they wouldn't be considered a winning day if I wanted to march towards a payout. So them lowering that to 150, I like that. I like that. It gives more breathing room for pea shooters like myself. So if we could just stay like this, man, that'd be great. Okay, let me look at my stats real quick. I shouldn't be showing y'all this, but yeah, we're here. The most active day was Tuesday. Most profitable day was Wednesday at 197. Least profitable day was, this is probably today, yeah. Number of trades. Now this is something to be proud of right here. So average winning trade is $55. Average losing trade is 24. I'm trying to figure out why that's so low. But have all my trades been shorts? Nuh-uh. Have I not went long in this account? I haven't went long on this account. Holy shit. I agree, Money Glitch. I agree with that. I agree that whatever account size you're trading, it should correlate to that, honestly. I mean, obviously the prop firm got to make money, so I'm not going to like bitch and moan about like prop firm rules, but if I'm being very honest with myself, $200 on a 50K could be a little bit of a stretch, because you're asking traders to make basically 10% of what they're making, of what they actually have to trade with. $200 to me, you only have $2,000 to play with. Like, you can forget the whole 50K. You don't have $50,000 to trade with. You have a $2,000 account. What's 10% of what's $200 of 2,000? That's 10%. That could be a little much. So lowering that bar feels really good. Lowering that bar feels really good. And I have not, bro. I haven't taken any longs on this account yet. Shit's crazy. Yeah, someone does 1-to-1, then risking 200 on 50K is like suicide. Yeah. That'll like $200 on one trade. I try to not go that high, but if the trade looks really good, it's not impossible, but I would like to be around like that 100, 150 mark. That seems to be a little bit better for risk, because that way, if I'm wrong, I can break even. I could boogie out of a trade. I can partial. I can do all those things. 200 looking for one. Yeah, you're asking for traders to blow up at that point. You really got to know what you're doing. If you're new, if you're not new, these rules are kind of negligible. But if you're new, $200 per trade, that can be a bit much for some traders. But yeah. Commissions are really eating into my these micros are starting to add up a little bit. The hell is this? It costs almost $4 to open up 5 micros? Jesus. Alrighty, let's see what the market is doing. Yeah, since let's look at gold real quick. Gold has a little bit of structure to it. Yeah, gold has a little bit of structure to it. I can see a pop to the downside here. Oh yeah. When she wants to do it remains to be seen, but I can see a pop to the downside here. So keep that in mind for gold. ES probably looks the exact same as NQ today. Oh, not quite. ES didn't take all-time high. But looks really similar. Yeah, no pullbacks. If you're trading, I'll be honest with you, I'd be careful. I'd be careful. I don't know what this market wants to do.
With the stress, don't even put it on.
My money was looking funny on Roblox, but I was still good.
All right, price starting to look a little ugly. Price starting to look a little bit on the ugly side. Hey, stand up. Put my desk in sit stand mode. I got one of those sit stand desks, and I don't know. It helps the mental, I suppose. Alrighty, guys, there's not too much going on today. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. If you guys can, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.